Hello everybody, my name is Grantmeister, and welcome to Brick Rigs. So we're gonna play this because I couldn't play it before I got my graphics card with recording, but now we can. It's so glorious, and oh gosh, I haven't played this game in so long. It's gonna probably be forever for me. You know what? Let's just get Dragster, open it right up, and you know what we're gonna do with this Dragster? We're just gonna put thrusters on it. So it's just need to remember how to do everything. Sure, let's try it. No. I forgot how to do this. Enter. What the frick? How do I get out? Exit enter. Oh well. Well, that didn't work. But you know what? There we are. It's beautiful now. Goodbye. Oh, we are in a dragster. Hooray! We are dying, kind of. But we will not. We will not die! In my confidence. And I think I killed it. That's nice. Wee! Goodbye. Run! Run like the wind. Run to the glorious shed of the brick rig. This is gonna be great. It's gonna be great. Okay, now let's see. Like that, and then we turn this over like this. Sure. More. Beautiful. That was great. That was great. Well, that happened. It worked. It worked. Don't mind that. Don't mind that. It didn't happen. It didn't happen. What do you mean? What do you mean it happened? No, it didn't. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Nothing happened at all. You know, nothing happened. Sure. Yeah, yes. I will delete you. Okay then, let's just, you know what, get this. And we'll put some thrusters on it. Right down here, boom. I haven't played this game in like way too long. Let's just try one thruster for now because I'm too lazy to put on more. Wait, can I just control C? Yes, I can. This works too. Hopefully this will work. Yes. Yes, it works! Hooray! We are going much faster now. Oh gosh. I feel like this is a bad idea. But you know what? All bad ideas are great, right? No, they are! Oh frick. Oh gosh! Oh gosh! Oh no. Oh frick. Oh, we're screwed. Oh gosh, no! No! Oh no, gosh, no. Oh frick, we're so screwed. Goodbye. Oh my frick. Oh wow. That was unfortunate. Very unfortunate. I just don't remember how to get back to my thing. I don't remember how to get back. I do? You know what? I don't remember what to do. I don't know anymore. Oh yes, this is how. There, that works. So, test complete. We have successfully done trucks. We have successfully done things correctly. Yes. Perfect. Perfect with my thrusters. Now we just add a ton of these. We're gonna go flying today. I will teach you all how to fly. It's gonna be a fun time with y'all folks. We are gonna fly so high. Okay, let's try it. And that didn't really work out, did it? No, it didn't. Well then, you know, that was unfortunate. So, I forgot how to put it up. Move sideways, move straight, shift mode, escape. Okay, shift is up. Okay, so we have to press G then shift. Right. Okay, I see your little trickery. So let's just delete that so we don't have to. So we're gonna go flying. What vehicle should we go flying in? Jets? No, that's not appropriate enough. We should go flying in trains. Cause you know that's how people fly nowadays. You see, that's how people fly. I mean, it makes perfect sense. Wait, Jimmy, why are you telling me it makes no sense? It makes perfect sense, Jimmy. No, Jimmy, remember, I'm the one who's teaching you how to play brick breaks, though. So, shut up. Shut up, Timmy. Timmy's being very naughty today. Wouldn't you say so? Yeah, I think so. Timmy's being awfully rude, like he always is. Don't worry, it's just Timmy. Shouldn't be too much of a problem. And well, it doesn't work. It doesn't really work. That one didn't work. Oh. Glorious 16 FPS because of all this destruction. Let's just go over here. It's better over here. And there's a garage, so. Wee, wee, wee. I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. So we just go over here. Now, this is the time. So we're going to delete that. We're going to open a new file, this one. And here's what we're going to do. We're going to put some thrusters on it to go extremely fast. Wouldn't you say so, Timmy? Yeah, I think so. I think Timmy finally agrees with something I say. He's finally doing something right. Oh gosh, I'm just gonna delete that. That was failed. Oh gosh, this is frickin' being terrible. Let's just put it on the trains for now. Oh my gosh! How hard is it to place a frickin' thruster? Ah, gosh. Where the heck can I place this? Frickin' brick rig angles, my gosh. Here we are. Let's just add a bunch of these thrusters. No one will be able to see them, especially Timmy, so he can't complain about anything. And this looks really good, actually. More thrusters. Let's put more thrusters on. As many as possible. That looks good. Wouldn't you say so? I think so. I think so. Perfect. Maybe not. Let them. Goodbye, train. Well then. I'm going to get rid of all this crap. Like that, flying train, powered by thrusters, shut-ended engines, and the whole shebang, going a whopping 20 kilometers per hour. Oh, this is fun. And we're screwed. So what do you think of that? I think it's pretty good. Well, that was a quick Brick Rigs video. Hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.